Hey guys, just getting off of work. Gonna run in the Salvation Army. See if we can scoop up some treasure, some goodies. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready
to hit some thrift stores. I think there's action figure in here.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that's cool. I collect Ghostbuster stuff actually. Yep, my son, I gave him the old Ghostbuster house and everything. Is that the only one you guys got?
Yeah, this is, we just got that in today. Ghostbusters.
Yeah, wow, that's some old stuff now. Is it for the first movie too?
This is the second movie. It came out 2012, it says. Need to hold this up here, or?
Yeah,
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, we're just getting home from that Salvation Army. I also stopped at a pawn shop and I picked up some games, which is cool. We got Resident Evil Revelations for $2. We got Seen It, all new movie clips and trivia for $1. Dead or Alive 5. And we got this Capcom digital collections. These Capcom collections on 360 are hard to come by. It's probably about $25 game maybe, but this is going in a collection because I don't have that one. I love collecting for the Xbox 360, so definitely gonna keep that. It's nice and complete. We got Catherine Atlas title. I'm pretty sure I have this one already. It's in really nice condition. It's probably about a $15 game, but it was only $2, which is a good deal. Got the original Wolfenstein. Not sure if I have this or not, so that might go in the collection. And we got Took a chance on this Ace Combat 7 for the VR for $4, but you can buy it new for 20, so hopefully I could get like at least maybe a little double over my money on it, I guess. But you know, it's easy to ship stuff like that. We got Forza 2 Motorsports, the complete collection. I don't think I have this version, so not sure if it's even, probably not valuable, I'm sure, but we could look it up real quick, can't we? Yeah, maybe about $10 free shipping, but we're gonna keep it for the collection. So added a few for the collection. Catherine I'll probably flip. So all right, then we went in the thrift store. First thing I see in this case is a Ghostbusters 2 figure of Ray Stantz, the courtroom battle. So that's pretty awesome. I do collect Ghostbuster stuff, so this is going in the collection. Pretty stoked to find that. It's in really nice condition. I'd say it's around the $30 figure maybe. So $5.99 was a good deal. We found some Craftsman stuff. We got this Craftsman magnetic post and pipe level. Not sure if I'll keep this or not. It's magnetic too, so that definitely helps. But I don't know how many pipes and posts I'm gonna be leveling, so I don't know if I need. I might flip it. Not sure how much it goes for, but we paid 99 cents for it. Craftsman stuff is usually good stuff to pick up. And we got another Craftsman thing. We got a 9-piece punch and chisel set. Might keep these, might not, I don't know. They're all in there, but they just kept falling out. They fell out in the middle of the store. It made a pretty big noise, but it's kind of funny. Anyways, we paid $7.99 for that. They go for around $30. Then they had this in a cart when I was getting ready to leave. They were gonna put out, and she this vintage Tonka forklift. It's not in bad condition. I'm sure a little bit of that stuff right there should clean up. But these seem to be selling in a range of 30 to 50 bucks. I definitely think I could clean this up a little bit, get it looking a little better. But she charged me $3.99. I guess that is broke right there. But works out. Spread them that way. And this, that raises it and lowers it. Pretty cool. I know I had something like that growing up. And I actually had some records. They never have records in here. Never see any. Got Bob Seger and the Silver Bullet Band. 9 tonight. Probably just gonna keep this one. It's from the Easton Public Library. That's where that nice sleeve came from, the public library. And then they had this big box of 45s right here. This is some of the stuff. These are in with the records. These are red vinyl pressings. There's only like 1,000 of each. I don't think they're very valuable, but I just couldn't leave them. We got the 5 Satins Part 1, the best of. It's $4.69 and 1,000. There was 3 of these in there. And we got the Best of the Paragons, Volume 4. And we got Lee Andrew and the Hearts, which I don't know who they are. Volume 1. And we got the Best of the Jesters. And then we got a big box. I hope that's still in here somewhere. Got a big box of 45s. Now this was sitting there. There's some good stuff in here, like, you know, stuff I know. So I went up to the store, or I went up to the front with the whole box, just to see if they would give me a box, you know, a price for the whole box. They sell records for like 99 cents. But I would assume like a lot of this stuff will sit there. So we ended up coming up with 10 bucks, and I was fine with that. One of my favorite ones, I don't know where it went. I showed you guys in the store, but there's all kinds of stuff in there. got Sade. DC. Oh man, that's good windy out here. Madness, Our House, that's an awesome song. Got Mick Jagger, Olivia Newton-John, all kinds of stuff in there. It's just gonna be fun to go through them. Billy Squire. I do like 80s music, it seemed like. Genesis. Some Motown. Who we got here? Night Shift by the Commodores. Foreigner. George Michael, Survivor. Tons of good stuff in there. Cool in the Gang, Fresh, Patti LaBelle. I would just say there's at least 100 in here. Huey Lewis in the News, Pat Benatar. ZZ Top, Sharp Dressed Man. I haven't really sold a whole lot of 45s, so I know probably most of these aren't very valuable. Got Men at Work. Another Prince. I had a Prince Purple Rain purple record in there somewhere. I don't know where it went. Hopefully I didn't lose it. Kinks. All kinds of stuff now. George Harrison all those years ago. That Purple Rain must have just fell in here somewhere. Well, hopefully I can find it because that was the coolest one in here. It had to slide in somewhere. There's some Stevie Nicks. Is that it right here? Oh. Edge of 17, that's a good song. From the LP Hot Nights, Magnum. David Lee Roth, Just a Gigolo. There's Madonna, Material Girl. So there's a lot of good 45s in there. Probably not just a lot. Oh, there's my Purple Rain right here. Ain't that cool? I'm probably gonna keep that one though. It's pretty awesome. The legend Prince, man. I'll tell you, if you want to go on YouTube and check out a cool video, is my Guitar Gently Weeps, you know, from the Beatles, but it has Tom Petty, Steve Winwood, and Prince on guitar, man. Oh my god, it's killer. If you haven't seen that, go on YouTube and watch it. Let me know what you think. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. It's a pretty cool haul for just after work. A couple little stops, and we spent about 50 bucks altogether. So thanks for watching. Peace.
Perfect.